Okay, who threw that? Come on, fess up.
No one.
What do you mean, no one? You think it threw itself?
He means no one here. You know how we were talking about identity over time, and how it's really difficult to make sense of things persisting through time, especially if their parts are constantly changing.
Yeah, that's because our bits of matter are constantly being replaced. Cells die and are replaced by new ones, and yet we don't say that bits of the person have been replaced.
So then it looks like you have one thing that endures intact, namely the person, while what they're composed of, their body, like, it doesn't remain the same over time.
And then you either have to suck it up and be a mad dualist and say a person is not their body. But if I'm not my body, what am I? My body and something else? What else? A ghost? How weird is that, huh?
Or you can be a four-dimensionalist instead and think that a person is a collection of temporal parts. What I was a moment ago isn't the same thing as what I am here and now, and what I am here and now won't be the same thing as what I am a moment from now. But all my temporal parts are causally connected and similar enough.
That, we call them one person. Oh, that's fully sick.
Yeah, I'm just this giant space-time worm composed of a gazillion little mini-me's.
Awesome.
So which one of you space-time invertebrates threw the ball then?
None of us. If everything is made up of a sequence of temporal parts or stages which don't exist for more than a moment.
Then the temporal part who threw the paper ball doesn't exist anymore, and there's no point in blaming any of us who are here now.
Yeah, Mr. Pickles, you can't step in the same river twice. Remember?
Righto. Well, let's move on then. Class is almost over, and I have your tests to give back.
So, there's no grades on these?
Yes, well, those papers were written by temporal parts of you that no longer exist. I could hardly give you grades for papers that you haven't written. Could I?